Hello, I'm back. Alrighty, here is my Hero Arts package. And whoa, I just got a flash up on my, that's funny, on my phone that my scrapbook.com order is about to be delivered. I'll probably get it on probably Thursday. They're really fast because they're based in Arizona and I live in Arizona. How fun. Alrighty, so here we go. Let's make this less than 5 minutes if we can. Stuff from my Hobby Lobby haul is still there. Ooh, did they give me a catalog? Ooh, I'm excited. I have always loved Hero Arts. Oh, wow, here's my little thank you. Get out of town, look at that. It is just as nice as a Close to My Heart or a Stampin' Up. Oh, I know I smell anything that's paper. I don't smell. I do smell. Well, you girls know what I mean. Okay, so they can do a great job of packing. They probably don't need to put it in all of this, but you know what? No one wants wrinkled papers and stuff, so I'm glad they do. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is gonna... I may not do dinner tonight. I may just be doing this. So they wrap it very nicely in this nice paper. Sometimes it's different colors. I try to sort of save it because you never know when you're going to need a little bit of, a little bit of pretty paper. So, okay. Now, I have to tell you really fast. I got so many of these Hero Arts cubes, and thankfully they fit in the Tim Holtz small distress ink cube ink pads. Yeah, and they fit in there. So I had to buy some of them in order to house these. But I really wish, and I know people are going to quibble with me about this, that they would stop sending them. I have 20. They don't have refills. I think I heard someone say that these are not the exact same colors that they sell in the larger ink pads. And so if that's the case, then if I can't get refills, you don't want to get used to something and then, oh my gosh, you can't use it anymore. It's kind of depressing. All right, so let's see. Oh, that paper. Well, let's open this because it's right there on the top. This is gorgeous paper. Ooh, look at the little bird nest. I will probably never use that, but it's cute. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm not going to put anything back in the package because I really want this one to be short. So you can find out the names of these by going on their website. And, okay, it's a green, it's a blue, it's a brown. Like, I haven't got that already. I pretty much have invested in Oxide inks. And Catherine Pooler's line is just lovely. I have about 12 of hers. Oh, gross. Okay. So, oh, I'm sorry, doing the smell. It's paper. Anything paper I smell. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful grayish wood grain. I doubt it's showing up. And then, oh my gosh, every one of them is a pretty wood grain. Very, very spring-like. Good job, Hero Arts. Okay, they always put a bow on, and believe me, these bows come in super handy. I don't always use them with Hero Arts sets, but I make use of them. Alrighty, so won't take anything out of the package. We're going on 3 minutes. Birds. It's pretty much all about the birds. We've got love you, hey girlfriend, Gull. Okay, I don't think I'll use that one. I don't like seagulls. I come from the East Coast, and I wasn't far from the beach, and it was a big deal, and doggone it, those gulls on the beach, they really are like pigeons, just waterfowl. Okay, what's the word? I would use that. Sending hugs, chirping you on. Oh, that's adorable. Hi there, happy birthday, spread your wings, totally feel better soon, congrats, sending you sunshine, so happy for you, you are one cool chick, and tweet. Little musical notes, a couple of butterflies and leaves thrown in. They always give you the extras. Doggone it, those extras are hard to keep track of when you start using your set, but just gotta do your best. Okay, and look at this. Can you see these dies? I mean, wow. Wow. When they say their sets are between $70 and $80, they truly are. I almost think they could easily say that the value is almost $100 because these, I mean, really, look how many dies. Look how many. I think there's a die for everything except probably most of the words. The nest, the leaf. I have no, how do I say it? I'm a big copycat. So I will wait until Crazy Paper Chick and a couple of other ladies do some tutorials, some card kits, the 10 cards, one kit kind of thing. And then I will probably make two to three of each of theirs. And then sadly, this might get put away and, oh gosh, I'll take it out when I need it because that's how I am. All right, everybody, we're over 5 minutes. And next up, I'm going to do the 1407 unboxing. Maybe that'll only be 3 minutes. Okay, take care. Bye.